In this problem, we're going to follow these steps to draw this arc and then find the length of the arc. So first, make sure that ortho is on. Then click on the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move right, type 6, press enter. Right click, cancel. Now we are going to draw two circles at both ends of the line with radius of 1.5. So go to the circle tool area, click that down arrow and use center radius option. So click center radius, click that end of the line and type 1.5. Press enter. Right click, repeat circle, click the other end of the line, type 1.5, press enter. Now we're going to draw this circle, big circle, that is tangent to the existing two circles. So let's go to the circle tool area and click that little arrow to find the options and use tan radius and click the first circle around this area where I'm clicking, and then go to the second circle and click the area where I'm clicking, and then type the radius of the new circle, that is 8. Type 8, press enter. And now we're gonna select this line, erase that, use the trim tool and trim this portion of the circle to get this arc shape. Right click, cancel. Now we need to find the length of this arc. So click this arc and right click, properties, and arc length is 7.6757.